Small backyard? No problem. Stunning pool ideas for limited spaces. Owning a small backyard doesn't mean giving up on your dream of having a pool. In fact, with the right design and a bit of creativity, a compact space can transform into a stunning oasis that rivals even the most spacious properties. Whether you're looking for a serene escape, a place to cool off during the Texas heat, or a stylish focal point for your outdoor area, there are countless ways to make a small pool work beautifully. With smart planning and innovative features, your limited space can become a show-stopping retreat that's both functional and breathtaking. Backyard Brothers, your trusted go-to for everything pool in Texas Hill Country, is here to help. Multi-purpose features for small pools. Small pools can serve multiple purposes when thoughtfully designed, making them the ultimate solution for limited spaces. By incorporating versatile features, you can create a pool that offers more than just a place to swim. It becomes a centerpiece for relaxation, entertainment, and style. One popular approach is to integrate built-in benches or ledges that double as seating areas. These features provide a comfortable space to lounge while eliminating the need for bulky poolside furniture. Another innovative idea is to include a swim-up bar or submerged seating, allowing you to entertain guests or enjoy a meal without leaving the water. By blending functionality with aesthetics, these multi-purpose elements enhance the usability of your pool while keeping the overall design sleek and efficient. With the right features, your pool can become a versatile extension of your living space, even in the most compact backyards. Creative shape choices for tight spaces. When designing a pool for a small backyard, the shape can make all the difference. Traditional rectangular pools might be the default, but thinking outside the box can unlock the true potential of your limited space. The right shape not only optimizes the area, but also adds a touch of personality and sophistication to your backyard. Freeform pools with their flowing organic curves are an excellent choice for smaller yards. Their irregular shapes can be customized to fit snugly into awkward spaces or around existing landscaping. The fluid lines also create a natural, relaxing aesthetic that complements gardens and greenery. For those who prefer a more modern look, slim rectangular pools offer a sleek and minimalist design that feels contemporary and elegant. Their linear shape can make narrow backyards appear more spacious, while their symmetry adds a sense of order to the overall layout. By tailoring the shape of the pool to the unique dimensions of your backyard, you can maximize both functionality and visual appeal, ensuring every inch of your space is put to good use. Add-ons to make a small pool. Feel bigger. Strategic design elements can transform a small pool into a luxurious focal point that feels far more expansive than its size suggests. By incorporating thoughtful add-ons, you can enhance the visual impact and functionality of your backyard oasis. Infinity edges, for example, are a popular feature that creates the illusion of a pool extending endlessly into the horizon. This effect not only adds a sense of grandeur, but also draws the eye outward, making the space appear larger and more open. Reflective finishes, such as glass tiles or polished surfaces, amplify this effect by bouncing light and shimmering beautifully under the sun. Another impactful addition is built-in water features, such as small waterfalls or bubbling jets. These elements introduce movement and sound, engaging the senses and distracting from the pool size. When combined with creative lighting, like underwater LEDs or strategically placed spotlights, you can enjoy a pool that feels expansive and inviting, both during the day and at night. Smart storage solutions for small pool areas. In a small backyard, clutter can quickly detract from the elegance of your pool area. Smart storage solutions are essential for keeping the space tidy and functional while maintaining a clean, streamlined aesthetic. By integrating storage into the overall design, you can make the most of your limited space without compromising style. One effective option is to incorporate hidden storage into existing features. For instance, pool benches or decking can double as storage compartments for towels, toys, and maintenance equipment. This approach keeps essentials out of sight but within easy reach, ensuring your backyard remains neat and inviting. Wall-mounted racks and hooks are another great solution especially for compact spaces. Use them to store pool cleaning tools, flotation devices, or even outdoor decor items. Opt for stylish materials like weather-resistant wood or metal to keep the area looking polished. By prioritizing smart storage solutions, you can create a clutter-free environment where your small pool takes center stage, leaving every guest impressed by the thoughtful design of your backyard oasis. A small backyard doesn't have to limit your dreams of owning a stunning pool. With the right design strategies, creative features, and thoughtful details, even the most compact spaces can become a luxurious retreat. From versatile pool shapes and multi-purpose add-ons to lush landscaping and smart storage solutions, your backyard can be transformed into a haven of relaxation and style. The key is to embrace the possibilities and see your space not as a limitation, but as an opportunity for innovation. With a little planning and creativity, your small backyard pool can make a big impact, offering all the beauty and enjoyment of a larger setup. Ready to dive in? Your perfect pool is just a few ideas away. Ready to transform your backyard? At Backyard Brothers Texas, we specialize in creating stunning pools that fit perfectly into any space, no matter how small. Whether you're looking to add a sleek plunge pool or design a multi-purpose outdoor retreat, our team is here to turn your vision into reality. Visit backyardbrotherstx.com today to schedule a consultation, browse our portfolio, and discover how we can help you design the perfect pool for your home. Let's make your backyard the oasis you've always dreamed of. Get started today and dive into luxury with Backyard Brothers Texas.